Mithali Raj. Mithali Durai Raj was born on 3 December 1982. She is an Indian cricketer and ODI captain of Women National Cricket Team. She is a right-handed batswoman and occasional right-arm leg-breaker bowler. She is the highest run scorer in the women's international cricket and only female cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in women's one-day international matches. She is the first player to score consecutive 50s in ODIs. In June 2018, during the 2018 Women's 20 Asia World Cup, she became the first player from India to score 2,000 runs in T20Is and also became the first woman cricketer to reach 2002 WT201 runs. Thank you.
Pandita Ramabai Saraswati. Pandita Ramabai Saraswati was a pioneer in the education, emancipation of women in India and a social reformer. She was the first woman to be titled Pandita as a Sanskrit scholar and Saraswati after being examined by the faculty of University of Calcutta. Bai was added to her first name as a term of respect. She was born as Rama Dongre on 23rd April 1858. Her father, Ananda Shastri Dongre, a Sanskrit scholar, taught her Sanskrit at home. She and her brother were orphaned at the age of 16. She studied in Britain and the US, gave lectures in Japan and Australia, and taught Sanskrit as well as her mother tongue Marathi. When she was 23, she moved to Pune after her husband's death with her daughter and formed Arya Women's Association to promote education and empowerment. Using proceeds of her books and lectures, she raised a fund to start Sharada Sadan Silchar in 1889, Bombay, offering widowed women a refuge. She died on April 5, 1922, aged 63, in Bombay Presidency, British India. Thank you.
Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha was born on 20 July 1988 in Ambedkar Nagar. Her age is 32. She studied Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. She is an Indian mountain climber and sportswoman. She is a 7-time Indian volleyball player, mountaineer, and the world's first female amputee to scale Everest, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Elbrus, Constance Pyramid, and Mountain Winch.
It would be hard to find a person in India who doesn't know who Kalpana Chawla is. But for those who don't know, Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut and the first woman of Indian descent to go to space. She took her degree from Punjab Engineering College in Aeronautical Engineering. She went on to take 2 masters from the University of Texas and the University of Colorado and a doctorate from the Colorado University on aerospace engineering. Mr. Don Seath, who taught her aerodynamics at the University of Texas, had described her as quiet, modest, but determined, unlike other aspiring astronauts who were a bit brash. Unfortunately, she died in the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster along with her crew members in 2003. She is an inspiration for girls around the world. Thank you.
Have you ever got your bones broken or any of your friends have? In any case, you might have seen an X-ray that the doctor wanted to examine. It is a black and white see-through picture of your body. The X-ray technology helps doctor see through your body, skin and flesh and to find where exactly bones are broken. Without this technology, all the identification would have been a guesswork. Well, you have to thank a lady for it, and that lady is Marie Curie. Marie Curie is a physicist as well as a chemist. She studied an interesting phenomenon called radioactivity, where some substance emits extremely harmful rays which can kill humans like you and me. Thanks to Mary that we have a better understanding of radioactivity. She was the first woman to earn a PhD degree in France. She was also the first woman to get Nobel Prize for Physics in 1903. She also won a second Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1911 for discovering elements called polonium and radium. Women were not allowed to have higher education in that time, so she had to take admission in an illegal college which was secretly run. She also helped people to have treatment at the war.